This is the most beautiful hall in that area. If you ask me, one of the most beautiful halls everywhere. Then if you want to see that sound symbol, yes, and now you know that it was built by the French people. Yeah. 13th century. And if you look at the style, this is almost a Gothic style. Yeah. Some say that this is the first kind of Gothic area, halls that we found in the world. Now the Gothic is actually a mixture between Arabic style and European style. Another thing that's important to know about the place, and where are you? I want to take a video of you too. Are you? You heard the video, you stopped. Then in that case, they used to eat here with long tables. Only one person had a chair. That was the head commander, and they call it the chairman. And the chairman came from that.